What's up, guys? Welcome back to the KR here, known as the Kimchi Railroad. We're back on the hot rails, the KR. We're here by the box here in town. There's a school bus. Okay. All right. We got the KR here again tonight. We're not going to the broken boat since we caught them last night, but we do have the KR right down there. They are getting here quickly. They stopped off at Weyerhaeuser, the mill down there on Highway 70 to drop off a few loads from the Queen Eastern. Or not, actually they didn't. They stopped off, switched the empties out with the fulls. That's what they done. That's what they do. That's what they do there at the mill. So here they come. They're at the about halfway down the line. So I'm standing here by the cantilever right now. So I actually got my truck with me tonight. So yeah, we're not here. We're not walking. I wouldn't do this in this cold weather. It's actually dropped. Temperature's supposed to rain tomorrow. Not all night, but half the night. Half the time before I come and watch the train tomorrow. It's 9:49 right now. I did mention something about quit the, just watch the trains on a certain schedule. But, you know me, I don't follow that no more. So, here we go on the KR. Booyah. Okay, guys, so they actually are now coming, but something weird just happened. And I'm telling you, when I say weird, it's weird. They used a spur that they've never used in probably 4 years. I made a video. It's called Abandoned Railroad Crossing on the KR, I think. I don't know what it's called. I'll pop it up right here. But that is so weird to see them use that because that locomotive was on it. But now, they're going to be running behind tonight. So getting to Arcanta will be a little bit late. So me and my mom are going to go see what they done down there at that spur after it's over. And that's basically most of the things that we will do tonight. And then we're going to go on home. I got to go to bed and wake up, go to school, do all this tomorrow too. So, yeah. Aye, Captain. Sorry for yesterday's video. It froze. I'm probably going to put the KR part separate from the DeQueen. I'll probably keep the DeQueen on there. Probably delete that video and just put DeQueen and Idabel's on there because he got out of the train last night, and I really want y'all to see that. So please comment, like, subscribe, turn post notifications, go subscribe to my buddy Marshall, and subscribe to me, and make sure you subscribe to JDT Trains. Guys, I have a new phone number. Go on my RXR Spotter channel, and I'll be posting a video there soon. Sorry for this interruption about the train. Yeah, they just disappeared. I didn't see them at all. But me and my mom went out there close to the fairground crossing. They were right there at that spur. And oh goodness, I didn't think we were going to get them because they went to the spur. I was like, what are they doing? And I will record when we do go down to that spur line down there. It's by the fairgrounds here in Idabel, Oklahoma. So if you ever want to go there, go there. It's a complete good place. Alrighty, guys. See you when the train gets here. Here we go. Here we go, guys.
I didn't think he'd realize it was you.
Alrighty guys, I'm back. I'm at my original spot. They are now moving. They were actually just waiting on time because they got too early for the riches. So now they're here at a later, hear them? 10:24. They're driving the same locomotive. They've drove this for a while, but I hear them. There they come down the rails. Guys, I caught them at Fairground Crossing, which y'all guys seen. I just got the locomotive because me and my mom just pulled out of there like psych. I lied. Get your little crusty out of here. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to test my zooms. So, as I was saying, my phone just shot down. Holy. It's now 10:25. I think they had to be at Arcanta about 11. So they're trying to waste time, but they actually stopped off at that spur. So we're gonna go check that spur when we get done here. That spur is what really I kind of worry about because film didn't say it was abandoned, but after all, I guess it's not abandoned. They still use it for storage, of course. There they come on Kimchi Railroad. Here we go. We better get into it. You better get off the track, or you see in Broken Bow nobody runs the track. But at Idabel, it's different. Oh, right in time. Titan. Eddie's speeding. Mitchie used to carry passenger cars. That's what they used to carry. But now they carry freight, which is different. Wait a minute. These are from that spur. I know they are. Got new names. They got new names. Yeah, these are from that scar. Yep, I remember these. Go back and watch that video. This is GNX 7864. You'll see that. 3319, 7761. You'll see all these. 8137, 321, 387, which had nothing in them. 7150, 3409, and they're are out because now that was all the storage cars. And now they're gone. See you tomorrow. It's a longer train, probably. Thanks for not getting my shot. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn post notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Please go subscribe to my buddy Marshall. Yeah, I have people watching me. Okay, yeah, there's a girl watching me. Okay, peace.